Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly member for South Wales Central. I'm gobsmacked at this. I'm in Cardiff South in the Butetown ward, Pomeroy Street, with our amazing community worker and Plaid Cymru member Nazir Adam, and have a look at this yellow mark here. All right, you can see the traffic. The street is packed with cars. Cardiff Council, in their wisdom, are going to put double yellow lines from there right the way down to the end. It's absolutely incredible. Nazir, what do you think of this?
It is absolutely ridiculous, honestly. The residents are going to lose 50% of their parking spaces. So the council, where are these residents going to park? Some of the residents are disabled. They haven't got no access. They need access to their cars and somewhere to park. And it's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous.
Well, I'll tell you what, Plaid Cymru, Cardiff Plaid, is going to give 2 pledges to the residents of this area. First of all, we will oppose and fight tooth and nail these really, really stupid proposals coming from Cardiff City and County Council. We want to listen to residents and see what they think and see what they want. And I'll give you a second pledge, because the council will change next May. I'm very confident that Plaid Cymru will be running the council next May. What I'll give the residents of this area is a commitment that a Plaid Cymru council will reverse any ridiculous changes brought in by Labour over the next few months. Only a few months left now at the elections, so 2 pledges. We'll try and stop this happening in the first place. If stupidity rules, then we will reverse those changes when we run the council. Is that right, Nazir?
Yeah, absolutely. Spot on.
Honestly, I can't believe it. It's just like, oh my God.
No, this is why we invited you, honestly, Neil, just to really look at the ridiculous
incredible
proposals. Absolutely.
Okay. Cardiff Council, incredible. And hug oil, I think is the word in Welsh.
Yes.
Amazing. Diolch yn fawr, thank you.
Thank you.